Welcome everyone, let's force a restart in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. This is useful if your Fold 4 isn't responding to touch, you see a black screen. So what you're going to do is very simple. You're just going to press and hold both the power and volume down key until you see the Samsung logo. So this may take a while, but let's do this together. Get one finger on the volume down key, get one finger on the power button. Let's hold these two together. 3, 2, 1, press and hold, press and hold, press and hold. Just keep them held down, keep them held down. Just keep them held down. Do not release either of the fingers. If you accidentally release either the volume down or power key, you must repress both keys and repeat the full process again, okay? And any moment now, we should see the Samsung logo. Let's give it a little bit more. And we'll just give this 10 more seconds. And there we go. The Samsung logo shows up. We can release our fingers from the buttons. And from here, your device is going to restart. You're going to be brought back to the lock screen and everything should be working as usual. If you are having issues where for some reason the phone isn't booting or something like that, then I do have a tutorial on how to hard reset Samsung Z Fold 4. That essentially will do a factory reset without accessing the operating system. So if you do need to do that, the tutorial will be in the description. With that being said, thanks for watching. Check out, some accessories of Z Fold 4, etc. in the description. Bye bye.